Hi everybody. Today we're going to show you how to make crab bombs, not crab cakes, which are made with fillers such as breadcrumbs, but crab bombs, which are basically crab meat, seasoning, and mayonnaise to serve as a glue to hold it together. First thing you want to do is add your crab to a large bowl. After you add it to the bowl, you want to add your seasoning, your garlic powder, onion powder, and your Old Bay seasoning. After you added your seasoning, then you can add your mayonnaise. Once all your ingredients are added, you can go ahead and stir. Stir gently because you don't want to break your jumbo lump crab down into fine crab. Would defeat the purpose of you buying the jumbo lump. All right, once you got everything stirred, mixed together, you want to grab a handful and start making your bomb. For the amount of crab meat that I purchased, I try to make pretty large bombs, so I make 3 bombs out of that bucket of lump crab that I bought. So take it, roll it together in your hand, squeeze it together just like a ball, and make as many as you want out of the amount of crab that you purchased. After you got your bombs put together, this is basically what they're going to look like. And then you want to add a little Old Bay seasoning over the top of it, just to flavor the top and help it brown. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once it's preheated or heated, go ahead and add your crab bombs to your oven. Let them cook for 40 minutes or bake for 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, they're ready to go. Look at those. Now that's what a crab cake is supposed to look like. Nothing but lumps of crab, not a bunch of bread. So delicious. Thank you. Enjoy.